If you want a phone that delivers premium features without also forcing you to shell out big bucks, the Oneplus 6 is one of the best smartphone values around. And now a successor is waiting in the wings. What will be different this time around? The Oneplus 60 will reportedly be sold through T-Mobile, which will mark the first time shoppers will be able to buy the company's smartphone through a US carrier. OnePlus has only confirmed a smattering of details about its next phone, but based on the company's recent history and a potentially revealing leak, we know how the device will look, what could be the new feature and when it will be releasing. Excited? So let's get started. First, let's discuss the things that are confirmed. We already knew OnePlus was planning to ditch the headphone jack in the 6T. Now we know why. OnePlus co-founder Pete Lau said the flagship's new in-display fingerprint sensor located towards the bottom of the display will take up space where the headphone jack would have been located. OnePlus has even begun teasing the new phone itself. The shadowy image above appears to despite a OnePlus 6 laying on the top of 6T. Notice the slight indentation along the left side of the device beneath. The trait isn't present on the OnePlus 6 and it could be a hint of 6T's revised slimmer earpiece, which leaks suggest had to be moved above the front-facing camera to accommodate the new teardrop-style notch. OnePlus CEO Pete Lau has confirmed that the OnePlus 60 will be more expensive than its predecessor, and the headset's in-display fingerprint scanner is to blame. Speaking to CNET, Lau revealed that the tech known officially as a screen lock will bump up the overall cost of the phone. He didn't reveal the exact price of the OnePlus 60, but the rumors claim it will be around $20 more expensive than the OnePlus 6. Officially, OnePlus has shied away from showing too much of 60's front. However, a render courtesy of MySmartPrice shows us how the device will likely appear with that new notch design. Before these images, we were treated to a trio of leaked shots of 60's packaging. They emerged on /leaks and Weibo, a Chinese microblogging platform, on September 4. A sketch of the device is prominently featured as part of box artwork, where we can clearly see the same water drop style notch and iconography of an in-display fingerprint scanner. Inscribing within the drawing and on the side of the box is the slogan, "Unlock the speed." What is the OnePlus 60 release date? A report in CNET said that the OnePlus 60 would release in October, but the exact release date wasn't mentioned. Meanwhile, an official screenshot OnePlus released to show off the 60's embedded fingerprint tech included the date October 17. What features will OnePlus 60 offer? OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus 60 will get an in-display fingerprint scanner. The feature will be called a screen lock and will presumably make the OnePlus 60 the first smartphone launch in US with the capability of in-display fingerprint scanner. OnePlus told CNET it wanted to include the feature on 2017's OnePlus 5T, but the technology wasn't ready at that time. According to Giztop post, the new phone will feature a 6.4-inch screen with a 2340 by 1080 resolution, with just a water drop bezel at the top instead of full-fledged notch. The OnePlus 6 will offer a screen-to-body ratio of 91.5%. As with the 6, the 60 will feature a Snapdragon 845 processor and either 6 or 8 GB of memory and 3 different storage options. New bullets but no headphone jack. A recent Droid Life report said that the OnePlus 60 will debut alongside a new pair of bullet wireless headphones. OnePlus confirmed as much in September 13 announcement that it will ship a USB-C version of its Bullet V2 headphones with the next OnePlus smartphone. The headphone will cost $20, the same price as the current version. OnePlus is promising improved sound quality from the new headphones. The announcement coincided with OnePlus CEO Carl P telling TechRadar that the company's next smartphone won't have a 3.5mm jack. OnePlus coincides that the flies in the face of its own customer surveys in which 88% of those responding saying that they like headphone jack. But OnePlus contends that getting rid of OnePlus port could allow the design team to use that space in new ways. A bigger battery and a room for in-display fingerprint scanner were among the options mentioned. How much will OnePlus 60 cost? Since OnePlus built its reputation on offering more for less, don't expect phone maker to deliver too widely from $529 starting price on the OnePlus 6 when it comes out with OnePlus 60. Last year's 5T debuted with the same $499 price tag as the OnePlus 5, for example. But the cost of OnePlus phones have inched upward, as the 6 sells for $30 more than the 5T did. OnePlus has also been known to raise prices when moving to a T model. The $439 OnePlus 3T cost $40 more than the phone it replaced. A CNET report says the OnePlus 60 is tentatively set at $550. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.